Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson mensuration and the topic the area of a TSA and LSA of cube and a cuboid, isn't it? Now the worksheets related to that. Find the length of the side of a cube whose total surface area measures 600 centimeter square. First you write what is the solid figure, that is the cube. Now what is given? The total surface area. Total surface area is given is equal to 600 centimeter square. They have asked you to find out the side. Side is L is equal to how much? So write TSA. I am using the short form only now. TSA of cube. What is the formula? 6L square. So 600 value is given 6L square. So L squared is equal to 600 divided by 6. 6 ones are 600s are. So L squared is equal to 100. L is equal to square root of 100, that is 10 centimeter. Answer. The length of the side of the cube of the given cube is 10 centimeter. Understood? So the TSA is given, you have to find out the side. Now coming to the second question, the length, breadth and height of the room are given. 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter respectively. All length, breadth and height is given. Find the cost of whitewashing the inner walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of ₹50 per square meter. So whitewashing the 4 walls and the ceiling, means the top part. First, the figure solid is a cuboid. लेंथ ब्रेथ दिया है तो अभी लिखो. लेंथ इज 5 मीटर, ब्रेथ इज 4 मीटर, हाइट इज 3 मीटर. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड. कॉस्ट बाद में फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड. वाइट वॉश्ड मतलब पेंट डालने का है ना. सो it is a 4 sides, that is area of a 4 walls plus area of ceiling. ceiling मतलब ऊपर का पोर्शन. ठीक है, रूम के ऊपर का पोर्शन को सीलिंग बोलते हैं. सो एरिया ऑफ द 4 वॉल्स का मतलब क्या करने का है? It is a LSA of cuboid, है ना. साइड का ही हम देखेंगे. प्लस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. सीलिंग इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. सो LSA का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 इंटू L प्लस बी इंटू हाइट, और एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. वैल्यू डालो अभी. 2 इंटू L 5 प्लस 4 इंटू हाइट इज 3 प्लस LB 5 4 इंटू 4. Now 2 into 9 into 3 plus 5 4s are 20. 2 3s are 6, 6 9s are 54 plus 20, so you'll get 74 meters square. This is the area to be whitewashed. लेकिन क्या पूछे हैं? What is the cost? So cost of whitewashing how much? 74 meters square at the rate of क्या बोले हैं? ₹50 per मीटर स्क्वायर. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए 50, तो 74 के लिए कितना? 50 into 74. So you got 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. So answer, the cost of whitewashing is ₹3700. You can write whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. Write directly. Cost of whitewashing is ₹3,700. So we have completed the worksheet 3, 2 questions. Hope you are confident. Now coming to the third sum. The total surface area of the closed cardboard box you have to find. The length, breadth and height are given. So it is a closed cardboard box. When length, breadth and height is given, it is cuboid. Right. Length is equal to 0.5 meter. Now this is in centimeter. So you will be writing in a meter. 0.5 into 100. The decimal moves 2 steps right. 1, 2. So it will be 50 centimeter. Hope everyone remember to convert meter to centimeter. In decimal, the decimal point moves to the right when you multiply by 10, 100 and all. If it is 100, 2 steps it has to move to the right. Breadth is given 25 centimeter and height is given 15 centimeter. Now, the total surface area. So, TSA of cuboid. What is the formula? The big formula, isn't it? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. So, 2 into, put the square bracket, 50 into 25 plus BH, 25 into 15 plus LH. L is 50 into height is 15. Is it okay? Now 2 into 0, 25 5s are 125 plus 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30 plus 7, 37, 0, 15 5s are 75. It is 2 into 0, 5, 0, 5. 5, 5, 10, 7, 17, 1. 7, 3, 10, 12, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. Horizontal addition, you have to be confident now. Ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, like that you add. Now you will write how much? 2 5s are 10, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7, 2 twos are 4, 4750 centimeter square. Now in case if they ask to convert into meter square, centimeter square into meter square, then you have to divide this 4750 by, see 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 में 2 0 है, मीटर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, तो तभी 4 zeros you have to take. So meter to centimeter 2 zeros, but meter square to centimeter square 4 zeros. But you know, छोटे यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए डिवाइड करते हैं. तो आप लोग क्या करोगे अभी, 10,000 से मतलब 4 0 से, है ना, 1 and 4 zeros, दैट इज 10,000 से डिवाइड करते हैं. तो डेसिमल मूव्स 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, so it will be 0.4750. It gets cancelled, meter square. In case if they ask to convert into meter square, remember the answer what you get in centimeter square, it has to be divided by 10,000. Why? Meter to centimeter multiply by 100. Meter square to centimeter square, you have to multiply by 10,000. But centimeter to meter divide by 100, centimeter square to meter square divide by 10,000. If there are 2 zeros in square, 4 zeros we have to put. So answer, TSA of the cuboid of the cardboard box is 4750 centimeter square or 0.475 meter square. If they ask, then only you convert. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, you are given 2 boxes. Which box will need more paper to cover the whole box? A box को from all sides it has to be covered. So which area we have to find out? It is the TSA, isn't it? The whole box has to be covered. मतलब 6 sides से हमें उसको cover करने का. That means we have to find out the TSA. तो इधर आप लोगों को क्या दिया है? First figure is a 3 dimensions are given. That means it is the cuboid. Either 40, 40, 40. All are same. That means what? It is a cube. So cuboid L is equal to 50 centimeter. B is this 40 centimeter. And height is this 30 centimeter. Now TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB 50 into 40 plus BH 40 into 30 plus LH 50 into 30. Okay. Now 2 into 2 zeros, 5 fours are 20, 2 zeros, 4 threes are 12, 2 zeros, 5 threes are 15, 2 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 zeros, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9. So you got TSA of the cuboid 9400 centimeter square. Now coming to the cube. What is the side given? It is 40 centimeter. So TSA of cube. What is the formula? 6L square. That is 6 into L is 40 the whole square. That is 6 into 4 squared is 16. 1 0 means 2 0. 16 6 are 64. 6 6 are 24. 6 1s are 6. 7 6 1s are 6. Sorry. 6 6 are sorry, it is 16 6 are 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 9. 9600. I'm sorry, it is 9600 centimeter square. Now which is bigger? The TSA of this cube is more. So answer, what they have asked, which box will need more paper? So box 2, that is cube shaped box will need more paper to cover the whole box. Understood? The area, total surface area of the cube is more. That is why that will need more paper to cover the whole box. Please give importance to the calculation. The slight mistakes in the calculation, then it will be, you will lose the mark, isn't it? So multiplication, be careful. Bye. Thank you. All the best.